Today we are going to read some hard to pronounce Korean words together. Are you ready? Let's go! Before we begin, if you haven't watched level 1 and level 2, please watch it here. And level 3 is about ending consonants, which is called 받침. These are some of the common Korean words, and we know how to write this 하세요. However, what is this extra consonants over there? This is called ending consonants. And as for how to read these ending consonants, we have 7 rules. But I know that this is a little bit overwhelming, so I will cover this one by one with the examples. So let's begin. The first word. Let's try to read this one together. From the first syllable block, you see circle, empty, no sound, and from ah. So the top part we read as ah. What about this nose? Nose for N, right? We add the N sound at the so it goes like an. And the next syllable, the nose, remember? So n from nose, and you have extra stroke, but before that, it goes like so yo, n and yo together, nyo. And this ending consonants is special consonants, and it's not no sound, but it goes like ng, like a song or running, like an ng sound at the end. So it goes like nyong, nyong. A tip to pronounce this word is like, younger, young, and you add the n sound at the front. So nyong, nyong, young, nyong, nyong. You get it? So this together, it's 안녕, 안녕, 안녕. Sound familiar? 안녕. 안녕 is hi in Korean in a very friendly and casual form. 안녕. We are slowly reading the ending consonants, and I will cover a few more examples. This one, let's read this together. So the first consonant is 그 from gone and E from I see. So together, key. And this ending consonant is mu from mouse, right? So you add the M sound at the end. It goes like kim. What about the next? It's bu from bucket and a from so pa. And it's bu from bucket. However, in this one, the ending consonants, it translates as P sound. So, pop. So from pa, it goes pop. Together, it's kimbap. It's kimbap in Korean. Have you tried kimbap? Did you enjoy it? Please let me know in the comment and try to type kimbap by yourself. Next one, let's read this together as well. So the first consonant is a man with a hat and a from a. So ha. And n from nose. So we add the n sound at the end. It goes like han. And the next one, the first consonant is gu from gone. Gu. The vowel is u. So ku. And we have the l from leather. So we add the l sound at the end. It goes like 글. Together, it's 한글. Hangul means Korean alphabet or Korean words, so you're now learning Hangul with me. Hangul. Let's move on to the next word. Does it look similar? Let's try it together. So, the first syllable is the same as the previous one, which is ha. And you add the N sound at the end, so it goes like han. And the next syllable, you have gu, and this time the vowel is oo from boo. So, 구, 구. And you have the gu from gun at the end. And this one translates to K sound. So, it goes like 국, 국, 한국, 한국. What is 한국? 한국 means Korea. So, have you ever come to Hanguk? If you haven't, do you want to come to Hanguk? Welcome to Hanguk. And the last practice for level 3, which is this one. So, let's read this together. The first one, it's easy for you. It's do from door and O from O. So, 도, 도. And the next, you have n from nose and so no, no. And you have summit at the end. This one translates to T sound. So you add the T at the end. No, not, not, donut, donut. You see what is donut? It's a donut. Donut. Do you enjoy donut? What's your favorite donut? So far, we covered 5 words: 안녕, 김밥, 한글, 한국, donut. So this actually covers all the 7 rules about the ending consonant. So let's see how it applies. The first one, ending N sound, so it's 안녕, 안녕. It's an sound. And the second one, it's ending L sound, 한글, 한글. Third one, ending M sound, 김밥, 김밥. And the fourth one, it's like song, ending NG sound, 안녕, 안녕. And the fifth one, it's ending P sound, it's 김밥, 김밥. Do you hear the pop? It sounds like P at the end. And the ending K sound, it has the gun family. So it's single gun, gun to kill, and the double gun. So it's K sound at the end, like 한국, 한국, 국. And the last one is the rest of everything, like tu, tu, su, su, tu, tu, hu. They all together make T sound at the end, like donut, donut. You might not be used to reading 받침 at the moment. However, as you learned more and more words, you will naturally pick up those 받침. So, just remember 안녕, 김밥, 한글, 한국, donut. And congratulations, you completed level 3. Now that you know this, you're moving past the beginner stage. You're getting smarter. Let's go! Fighting! And it's level 4. Are you ready? We are going to cover linking sound. Let's read this one together as we did before. So, the first syllable, it's mu from mouse and so ma, ma. And the gun family adds the K, so it's mo, mo. And the next, it's empty at the beginning and so it's o, o. And the last one, it's o with the extra stroke, so o and add y sound, yo, yo. All together, it's 먹어요, 먹어요. So it's 먹어요. However, there is a tip when you pronounce this. Because it's a little bit hard to say 먹어요, Koreans naturally developed a way to pronounce it easier. So let's cover this together. You have an ending consonant. At the same time, you have an empty space for the next syllable. So this one can move their space to their empty place, like 먹어요, 먹어요. It's much easier to pronounce than 먹어요. And you can relax and just pronounce like 먹어요, 먹어요. So this is called linking sound, and It's a pronunciation tip for you to sound easier and pronounce better. 먹어요. So let's read this one together. I will break down one by one. So the first one, to door, so it sounds stronger and higher pitch. 뜨, 뜨. And so together it's 떠, 떠. And you had K sound at the end, so 떡, 떡. And the next one, it's boo from bucket and O, so 보, 보. And you add the K sound, another K family with the double gun, so 복, 복. And the next one, it's E from IC, so it's E, E. Together, it's 떡볶이, 떡볶이. However, you see how the linking sound can apply the same here, so it moves their place like 떡볶이, 떡볶이. And with this, now you complete linking sound with level 4. 먹어요, 떡볶이. And 떡볶이 먹어요. It's eat 떡볶이. 떡볶이 먹어요. If you come to Korea, 떡볶이 먹어요. So you complete level 4 and you're becoming an expert. Congratulations! Now the last boss, level 5, double final consonants. Don't freak out. Let's do it one by one. So we are going to read this together. You see how it has two different consonants at the ending consonants, right? As to how to pronounce this one, you can just drop the last one and only leave the first consonants of the ending consonant. So it's O and B, so you add the P sound at the end. Up, up. So it's up. And the next one, it's O and yo. So together, it's up, o, yo. However, this is the tricky one because here the linking sound also applies. And when you have the two consonants at the ending consonants, only the last one move to the next syllable. So it goes like 없어요, 없어요. And this means I don't have or there is not. 없어요. I don't have 김밥 right now. 김밥 없어요. 김밥 없어요. So this is the double ending consonants with linking sound. So it's a spicy level, level 5. Now you're really mastering Korean alphabet together. Congratulations. You completed all the level. By the way, there are some exceptions beyond what we learned today. However, as for those pronunciation, I recommend you to learn by example from the vocabulary rather than just memorizing the rules. I think it's way easier and it's less confusing. So from now on, it's your time to expand your vocabulary. If you wish to learn more, consider joining our Korean conversation course where you can pick up the vocabulary and pronunciation much easier from the direct conversation. And don't worry, it's for beginners. So if you're interested, please check out the comment below. And I'm very excited to help you more with the Korean journey. So let's go! 화이팅! You can do it! And bye bye!